what we got, Daddy?
A lactose parrot.
Come on, baby.
A lactose parrot.
Come on, baby. Come on.
He is a lactose parrot, and he just fly away over to the toothbrush area when you're brushing.
I was so scared of you, Daddy.
Yeah.
I was so scared, baby. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. We're here to help you. Good boy, Danny. Good boy, Danny. Come on, Danny. 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 Good boy, Danny. Good boy, Danny. Wacky, wacky, Danny.
Usually, mommy. Usually the mommy ones always ask them for
What is in your mouth, Danny? What's in there? What did you eat? It's okay, baby. Good boy, Danny. Good boy, Danny.
I'm just really scared when I touch him because he just looks at me.
Good boy, Danny.
Do you know when I'm scared of this parrot?
You don't need to be scared of him. She's so friendly.
Yeah, but when I touch him, he just keeps just look at me.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, you wanna come with us? Come on. Hi. Danny. Danny. Come on, baby. Come on. You wanna come inside? Come on. It's okay.
It's past my bedtime.
It's okay.
It's past my bedtime.
Go to sleep na, anak.
I'm going to sleep. It's past my bedtime.
Asan mo ka, Danny? Go to sleep na, anak. Where are you going, Danny? It's a bit late, Danny. Don't you want to go to sleep, Danny? Danny. Come on. Let's go back to your cage. Come on. Come on in. Come on. You want to go back to your cage? You want to go back to your cage? You want to go? That's Bab. She's been snoring, isn't it?
And
You're listening to him, aren't you? Good boy, Danny. That's my baby. That's my baby. Good boy, Danny. That's my baby.
I think it's time
It's
to...
okay, Daddy. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's
Goodbye.
okay. It's okay.
Goodbye,
It's
lactose
okay, Danny.
parrot. Goodbye, Danny, because I'm
Come
going
on, let's
to
go.
bed.
Let's go. Tana, come on. Danny.
Bye, Danny Green.
Go to sleep na, Danny. Come on, Danny. Let's go back to sleep, Danny. Danny. You don't want to go back to sleep? You just want to come out there. We're going to sleep now, Daddy. Come on. Come on, get the mom. Daddy. Daddy. I told you, huh? You're not a prisoner. But it's a bit late already. What do you want to do? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You want to come out there? Good boy, Danny. Good boy, Danny. Good boy, Danny. Come on. Let's go back to your cage. Come on. I'm not gonna close your cage, okay? Good boy, Danny. Come on. Danny. Danny. You just wanna stay there, Danny? You wanna stay there, baby? Let's go. Good boy, Danny. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, Danny. You want to eat some rice, Danny? You want to eat some rice?
What are you talking about?
I'm going to feed him some rice.
I'm hearing it. What are you talking about?
Danny? You want some? Danny?
I heard you're gonna get some rice, but I
like it?
What are you screaming about? I'm trying to sleep there, and you're so noisy.
Sige, sige. What's in your mouth, Danny? You hungry? You must be hungry, aren't you? I don't have an egg. That's Samantha. Go to sleep, manak.
Yeah. Mommy. Do you want to make a choice of this guy?
Go to sleep now. Your eyes are so red now.
You're making lots of noise.
How did I make some noise?
I can hear you.
Why can I? She's chewing some. You chewing some seeds, Danny? Hurry up. She must be hungry.
He must be looking for food that is here.
It's okay. Danny.
Bye, guys.
You wanna go to sleep, Danny?
Do you want to have a game inside the bedroom, or you want to go back in your cage?
I don't know about it.
Or do you want to go inside the bedroom, or you stay here? Mom, you have to stay here for 24 hours. If you don't, then you lose the game. Sorry.
Sabaan na naman.
Bye.
Danny. Danny. Iulit na gunas cheeky og si Max. Oh, we get another problem here.
I said,
Oh, sige, go to sleep na.
yeah? With who?
I'm going to sleep soon. I don't know what you want. I think she's hungry. Can you get some sunflower? Up there.
No, I'm tired. Can we sleep with Max
Yeah.
and Cheeky?
Before? Okay. Ow! It's my hand. Sige, chew ana, oy.
Can you stop being annoying?
Okay.
Can you try to be quiet?
Saba ra good.
Hey, don't put your rice on my feet.